Kua hititi tōku maunga, ko wei hirere tōku awa, ko pārihi mānihi te marae ātea, ko Ngāti Wāhia me Ngāti Kōhuru o Kuhapu, ko te aitanga māhaki tōku iwi. We grew up in haka with lots of direction, having to do what you're told to do at this moment right now, and not the next blink. Auntie and uncle had the last say in everything you thought, and you got to it just became a part of the way you accepted life. All of my whatever it is I've put into the haka world has come from that leadership, Uncle Bill, Uncle Kani, Ngāpo and Pīmia, and with George and I. If I want to mould a group of people to what I need, because I see and I feel that these emotions will raise the roof, then I will put into place systems, processes, and whatever it needs to grow that group to that space. If it's a group of 5 or a group of 40, then that happens. How well the group is looked after, who's responsible for that, and every time I'm driving that. This year my focus has been about how to successionise Waihirere to the next space. We are who we are, and whatever it is we're doing at this time is correct and right for us. Always work to be courageous, to take a step where no man has ever gone before, and do it valiantly.